Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Wireless Tutor. Dear friends, I am here before you with 50 most important questions of Microsoft Word. Dear friends, subscribe our YouTube channel because it motivates us to bring more quality videos for you. And never forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get yearly notification of our videos. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is not valid version of MS Office? Look at the options. The first option is Office XP, option B Office Vista, option C Office 2007. The Microsoft Office 2021 is the latest version, but there is no versions such as Office Vista. Now, next question. MS Word is a dash software. This is an application software. Look at the question number 3. Which of the following position is not available for fonts on MS Word? Look at the options. Option A normal, option B raised, option C lowered, option D center. For the fonts, we can have the normal views. We can also raise the font size. We can also lower the font size. But there is no such option that is centered. So centered is the right answer. Now, next question. Which file starts MS Word? So the first option is the right answer, winword.exe. So this is the right answer. Question number 5. What is the default extension for all Word documents? The right answer is .docx. Next question. What is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? Look at the options. F12, B Shift plus F12, option C Alt plus F12, option D Ctrl plus F12. The right answer is Shift plus F12. That is Shift plus F12. Question number 7. What is the shortcut key for superscript the selected text? First understand what are the superscripts. Suppose it is written that x square. That means 2 is in the form of superscript. If it is written that A3, that means 3 is here the subscript. Then which shortcut key to be pressed to make a selected text as a superscript? The right answer is Ctrl plus equal sign. Similarly, go to the next question. What is the shortcut key for subscript? Then the right answer is Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign. For superscript, Ctrl plus equal sign. For subscript, Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign. Question. In how many ways you can save a document? We can save the document in 3 ways. Then the right answer is 3. Now go to the next question. The Saurus tool in MS Word is used for, as you know that is used for basically the synonym words. Now go to the next question. What is the default font used in MS Word 2016 document or above? Or which is the default font used in Microsoft version 2016 or more versions? Then the options are Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, Priti. All of you know that Calibri is the default font in Microsoft Word. Go to the next question. What is the default font size? We know that the default font size is about 11. So 11 feet is the default font size. Now go to the next question. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool on formatting toolbar? Look at the options. Which is the smallest font size and which is the largest font size. So the smallest font size is 8 and the largest font size is 72. So option A is the right answer, 8 and 72. Now go to the next question. The word wrap feature. Look at the options. The word wrap feature. Look at the first option. Automatically move text to the next line when necessary. Option B, it appears at the bottom of the document. Option C, it allows you to type over text. Option D, it is the short horizontal line. The right answer is option A. It automatically moves text to the next line when necessary. So word wrap feature indicates this. Now move to the next question. What is the shortcut for spelling check in MS Word document? Which shortcut key is used to check the spelling? Look at the options. F7, option B, Shift plus F7, option C, Ctrl plus F7, option D, Alt plus F7. Then the right answer is option A, F7. Now go to the next question. What is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright symbol? We can create a copyright symbol by pressing Alt plus Ctrl plus C. Now next question. Portrait and landscape are, as you know that these are the page orientations. Now go to the next question. Question number 18. How many columns can you insert in a Word document in maximum? How many columns we can insert in a Word document? Look at the options. That is 35, 45, 55, 65. Then the right answer is 45. And if you are asked how many rows we can insert, then the right answer will be 63. 63 rows we can insert and 45 columns we can insert. Now go to the next question. Question number 19. Which option in file pull down menu is used to close a file in MS Word? Look at the options. Option A, new. Option B, quiet. Option C, close. Option D, exit. So right answer will be option C, close. Next question. What is the shortcut key to close active document in Microsoft Word? If you want to close the active document, you need to press Shift plus F4. Question number 21. Which would you choose to save a document with a new name? Look at the options. If you want to save a document with a new name, then we need to click File, then Save As. Then we can save the document with a new name. Now go to the next question. What is the shortcut key to open font dialog box? In order to open the font dialog box, we need to press Ctrl D. Now go to the question number 23. What is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box? Look at the options. Option A, Ctrl plus P. Option B, Ctrl plus D. Option C, Ctrl plus G. None of the above. The right answer is Ctrl plus G. Next question. Ctrl plus N for save the document, open the document, new document, and close the document. The right answer is to open the new document. Question number 25. In Microsoft Word, shortcut key Ctrl plus W is used to look at the options. Option A, open the print dialog box. Option B, update the current web page. Option C, close the current window. None of the above. The right answer is close the current window. Next question. Graphics for word processor. So this is very easy. That is clip art. Graphics for word processor is clip art. Question number 27. Ctrl+P shortcut is used. Ctrl+P shortcut is used to open print dialog box. Next question. Ctrl+T shortcut is used for creating hanging indent. Hanging indent means, what do you mean by hanging indent? Suppose these are the lines in Microsoft Word. After pressing Ctrl+T, the text will be like this. That means except the first line, all of the lines will be shifted towards right. So this is called the hanging indent. Question number 29. Where can you change the vertical alignment? Look at the options. Option A, formatting toolbar. Option B, paragraph dialog box. Option C, page setup dialog box. Option D, standard toolbar. The right answer is option A, formatting toolbar. Next question. Question number 30. Which key should be pressed to start new paragraph in MS Word? The right answer is option B, to enter. After pressing enter, new paragraph will be started. Question number 31. Which tab in font dialog box contain options to apply font effect? Font tab. The right answer is font tab. Now go to the next question. Which of the following is not a font style? Option A, bold. Option B, italic. Option C, regular. Option D, superscript. So bold, italic, regular are the font styles, but not the superscript. Superscript is the right answer. Question number 33. What is placed on the left of horizontal scroll bar? So view buttons are placed left of the horizontal scroll bar. Now go to the next question. Change the dash to create a document in wide format. Look at the options. Option A, page orientation. Option B, page margins. Option C, paper style. Option D, paper source. The right answer is option A, page orientation. Now go to the next question. Question number 35. What is the shortcut key to display field codes? Look at the options. Alt plus F9. Option B, Ctrl plus F9. Option C, Shift plus F9. Option D, space plus F9. So in order to make display field codes, we need to press Alt plus F9. Now go to the next question. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? We need to press enter to start a new paragraph. Question number 37. Borders can be applied to dash cells, paragraphs, text, but we can apply borders to all of these. Now question number 38. Ctrl plus J used for align, justify. Ctrl plus J is used to align, justify. Question number 39. Ctrl plus R is used for the right align of the selected paragraph. To move the text towards right is the right align of the selected text. Similarly, which of the following is not on home ribbon? Columns, font color, change style, font. So font color, change style, font all are present in home ribbon, but columns are not present in the home ribbon. Columns are present in the insert ribbon. Question number 41. Which operation you will perform if you need to move a block of text? Look at the options. Copy and paste, cut and paste, paste and delete, paste and cut. The right answer is cut and paste. Next question. In MS Word, for what does ruler help? The ruler helps to set tabs, to set indents, to change page margins, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 43. Dropcap means all caps, small caps, title case. Option D, none of the above. Option D is the right answer, none of the above. Question number 44. Why drop caps are used in document? Look at the options. The first option is to drop all capital letters. Option B, to automatically begin each paragraph with capital letter. Option C, to begin a paragraph with a large dropped initial letter. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, to begin a paragraph with a large dropped initial letter. Question number 45. What is the maximum number of lines you can set for a drop cap? Look at the options 3, 10, 15 and 20. The right answer is 10. Next question. How many different positions can you set for drop cap? Look at the options 1, 2, 4 and 6. We can set 2 different positions for a drop cap. Question number 47. Dash is a collection of on a predefined design element and color schemes. First option feature, then hyperlink, option C palette, option D theme. So color schemes, that is a predefined design element and color schemes, that is basically a theme. Question number 48. Changing the appearance of a document is called, that is called formatting. Is the right answer, option C. Question number 49. Home key. Look at the options. First option. Home key. It moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. It moves the cursor to the beginning of the paragraph. It moves the cursor to the beginning of the screen. It moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. So after pressing home key, it moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. So last question, question number 50. After pressing the end key, it obviously moves the cursor to the end of the line. It moves the beginning of the line, home key, and end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. So this is all about for today. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.